Welcome back, everyone. Happy New Year. Let's kick things off by taking a look inside the very first boxes of 2023. Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing really well. If it's not too late, let me start by wishing you a very happy new year. I never know when the cut-off day is to stop wishing a happy new year, but there we go. I hope you've all had a lovely few weeks. I had a lovely rest and took a little break from making videos for YouTube, but I am rested and restored and ready to come back. And what better way to start off than by showing you what went into January's boxes. So the first boxes of 2023 were shipped on Tuesday and are starting to arrive already. It's Thursday today. Obviously, this video will go out in a few days, but I'm really excited to see what everybody thinks. And yeah, it's just really lovely to be back. And we had the whole team in packing up the boxes. So it was a lovely buzz for the start of January 2023. So I have the boxes here. I shall start off with the luxury box. I'll hold it up so you can see the full, it's a bit of a beastie one. So the theme was inspired by the fabric that's gone into the luxury boxes. The lovely team at Rooted got in touch with me to share their new collection, which is called Hibernate. And I loved that idea for January, the idea of just taking some time, slowing things down after the rush of December, resting. And yeah, I just love that sort of idea. So the theme for January's boxes is rest. Every box comes with a little magazine, which has an introduction to me, which also is where I announce the winner of the hashtag SHJ unboxing ritual. So on Instagram, people started posting pictures of their boxes as they arrived, unopened, so like this, so, you know, in all their intact glory so as not to give away any spoilers, with the hashtag SHJ unboxing ritual. And then every month I pick one person who wins a £15 gift voucher to the Fold line, and that's always announced in the introduction. So the magazine just has some interviews with some of the designers and makers who have products in the boxes. Every month I send the fabrics in advance to Gemma, Laura and Esther, and Tamlin gets the fat quarters, and then they make something and write about it and show you in the magazine. And yeah, just lots of lovely, inspiring bits and pieces. I won't go through that too much detail. So in the luxury box, let's start with the edible treat. This month I went for a pucker piece tea and a lotus Biscoff biscuit. I absolutely love these biscuits. I sent tea a few months ago, and although everybody likes a cup of tea, there were a few suggestions that it would be really nice to have a biscuit with it as well. And of course, I always want to listen to feedback. So we have a biscuit and a nice cup of tea. Okay, then we have, every box gets a 100-meter reel of Gutermann thread to match the main fabric. Then I teamed up with Gemma, who is one of the ladies who writes for the magazine for me. She's also a really talented artist, and when I told her about the theme for this month's boxes, we decided that she was going to create a bookmark for everybody. So it's really beautiful. So it's this lady who's resting, she's reading a sewing book, she's got knitting on the floor and her cat. And yeah, I love reading. I absolutely love reading. I've really got back into it the last couple of years. So I really love having bookmarks that are really nice as well. And this one's beautiful, specially designed just for SewHayleyJane subscribers. So one that you can't get anywhere else. Then we have a little haberdashery gift for you, is these hemline gold needle threaders. So there's 2 in each pack, and it's a little black flower and a little white flower. And yeah, if you're doing any hand stitching, these needle threaders just make it nice and easy to thread a needle, funnily enough. And I love the packaging on the hemline gold products as well. They're really, really gorgeous. So one of those in every box. Then the fat quarters are absolutely gorgeous. They are called, I think they're called Green Vibes, Oh, I need to double check. I think they're called Green Vibes, but we've got this gorgeous collection from Craft Cotton Company, which has lots of house plants, lots of gardening things. This one's got loads of house plants. I really love the idea. I'm not great at growing houseplants myself, but I love the idea of having an indoor jungle. I just think it feels like it's really refreshing and restorative, if you know what I mean. This one has lots of writing all over it that says love grows here, home sweet home, home is where the heart is. Green Vibes Only, that's the title of the collection, Green Vibes Only. Live life in full bloom, urban jungle, all these kind of writing things. And then this one is really lovely. This is more of a big scene style, so I'll open it up a little bit to show you. We have this one, which is lots of greenhouses and potted plants and little, what do you call them? A shelfie. I love that term. And all those kind of things. It's really, really pretty. So Tamlin has made for the magazine, the tutorial that will go up on the blog in a week or two, is a book sleeve and a fabric bookmark as well. So I will be making that to film and put up on YouTube probably next week. So keep an eye out for that as well. Okay, so the luxury box comes with up to 3.5 meters of fabric and a dressmaking pattern from an independent pattern company. This month we've got a pattern company that we've not had before, and it is Merchant and Mills. And to go with the theme of rest, we've gone for the Winnie pajamas, which actually comes in 2 different size options. So I sent my luxury subscribers some emails over December asking which size pattern they wanted to choose, which I was really pleased that I was able to do that this month. I haven't been able to do that before. But it does take a little bit of admin. It was a bit of an admin involved task. But we've got the Winnie pajamas, which you can choose from either long sleeve or short sleeve, shorts, short shorts, or full length trousers. And they come in either a size 6 to 18 or an 18 to 28. And yeah, just really, really gorgeous. Button down, shirt style, waist, elasticated waist and things like that in the trousers. So really, really love those. Definitely want to make those for myself. And then the fabric in the luxury box, like I said already, it came from Rooted and their new collection called Hibernate. If you haven't seen the collection, go and check them out. They are some stunning fabrics and they're really, really high quality, eco-friendly. They've got all the certificates and things like that. And this one is called Breeze, and it is this stunning dark blue with a sort of brown goldy leaf pattern all over it, and it's really, really beautiful. It's got a gorgeous weight to it, gorgeous drape, and it tells you on the selvage that it is 100% lensing Eco-Vero viscose. So it's got all the certificates that you would want from a gorgeous fabric like this. And it's so, so beautiful. I cannot wait to make something out of this for myself as well. So that is the luxury box. Let me pop all this to one side and then I will show you what went into the classic and mini boxes. Okay, here we go. This is the classic box. The classic and the mini both have the same fabric, but the mini has 1 meter and the classic has 2.5 meters, and there were 2 different colorways this month. So as with the luxury box, the classic gets the magazine, the sweet treat, the fat quarters, the bookmark. The bookmark was in the classic and luxury boxes, not in the mini boxes this month. And the hemline needle threader and thread. So those are all the bits that went into both the boxes. And then the fabric this month, I'm so excited. It's a totally different type of fabric that we've ever had in the boxes before. And let me get it out first and just move this box out of the way. Like I said, it came in 2 different colours, and it is this leopard print pointelle jersey, and it is absolutely stunning. This one was mustard, And we also had this creamy coloured one as well. So this fabric is a jersey, but the pointel is that it has these little holes throughout the fabric in this sort of diamond print. And it's so lovely and so snuggly. Would make really great vest tops, jersey tops, underwear, things like that, like a little thermal kind of layer. But the leopard print makes it really exciting. So you don't often see a printed pointel. Normally they are plain colours, but I was so excited to find this. And yeah, like I said, we've got this mustard as well, which clearly I am a fan. And I am planning to make a Sew Over It Ultimate t-shirt, long sleeved, out of this one, so that I can wear it underneath pinafore dresses and dungarees, or just on its own with jeans and things like that. And it's going to be so snuggly, which is exactly what we need at this time of year. January can be, although it's nice for resting, it can be pretty miserable, and today is no exception. The weather this week has been so gloomy, so I am hoping that I have brightened your doorsteps with your beautiful fabrics and boxes this month. I cannot wait to see what you all make with your fabrics, so don't forget to tag me or post them on we've got a Facebook community page as well. Post them on there, and then I can see and I can share all your gorgeous makes. We are now open, the website is open for new subscribers who will get their first box in February. So if you haven't already subscribed, go and have a look at the website, see all the different options available. There's something for everyone. And yeah, all ready for February, which we will be starting to sort out soon. I've already finalised the fabrics, the fat quarters, and things like that, and it is set to be a stunning box. So go and check out the website. Have a lovely day, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.